Hello everybody and welcome to another tutorial. Today we will learn how to change video quality on YouTube Shorts. Firstly, open up your YouTube. Now if we see the short video, it is usually in auto quality. If we tap on the three dots right here, we cannot see an option for quality. Firstly, you have to go to your profile and then settings, which is on the top right of your screen. Then you have to tap on video quality preferences. Usually it is set in auto, which is recommended. You can change it to higher picture quality or lower picture quality as per your needs. Let's set it to higher picture quality. Upon checking the shorts, we can see that it is of higher quality. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And we will see you in the next video.